Hi, I'm that crochet guy, and if you're thinking about starting a crochet business, let me save you some trouble. In this video, I share 5 mistakes to avoid when launching your crochet business so you can set yourself up for success from day one. Let's get started. Mistake number 1: pricing your products too low. When you underprice, you're not just losing money, you are also undervaluing the time and skill it takes to crochet. Remember, you are not just selling a product, you are selling handmade art. Take the time to calculate your costs, factor in labor, and add a profit for margin. If someone thinks your prices are too high, they are probably not your ideal customer anyway. Mistake number 2: only focusing on the products and ignoring your brand. People don't just buy crochet bags, sweaters, they buy into a story, a vibe, a feeling. Build a cohesive brand that reflects your style, no matter what it is. Invest in good logos, photos, a consistent aesthetic, and videos as well. A strong brand will make people remember you. Mistake number 3: ignoring your target audience. When I started, I thought everyone would love each and everything I made, but that wasn't the truth. The truth is, everyone has their specific taste and style. Focus on a specific niche, like fashion forward millennials or moms who love handmade gifts. The more specific your audience is, the more it is to design products that they will actually like, buy, and you can inculcate it in your marketing as well. Mistake number 4: overinvesting in supplies too soon. Trust me, I know how tempting it is to buy all the pretty yarns, tools, and everything you think you would need immediately. But don't do that. Start small. Invest in small materials. Try different products and then see how your target audience reacts to the products, how they like it, how they receive it. You can always invest more as the business grows, but it is always hard to recoup money spent on materials you may never use again. And finally, mistake number 5: not leveraging social media effectively. Social media is free advertising. Use social medias like Instagram and TikTok to show behind the scenes content, tutorials, and finished products. Don't just post once a week and expect to see results. It doesn't happen that way. You need to be consistent. Be consistent, make it fun, and engage with your audience. People love seeing the process of your creations. That is what sets handmade apart from mass produced. And there you have it: 5 mistakes to avoid when launching your crochet business. Remember, the key to success is learning as you go, staying consistent, and always being true to your unique style. If you found this useful, make sure to like this video, subscribe to my channel, leave a comment or tips that you think would be useful. Thank you for watching and happy crocheting.